In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change price on your Facebook Marketplace listings. If your item isn't getting the attention you hoped for or you want to react to demand, adjusting the price can make a real difference. Make sure you're signed into the Facebook app and let's walk through it together. Open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. From the home screen, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines, the main menu icon. Depending on your device, labels and icons might look slightly different, but the positions are generally the same. In the menu, select Marketplace. If you don't see it right away, scroll down and tap See More to reveal the full list, then choose Marketplace. This opens Facebook's buying and selling section where your items are listed. Once you're in Marketplace, go to your profile. You'll find your profile icon at the top right. Tap it to view your Marketplace activity, including your active, pending, and sold listings. Open your listings to see everything you've posted. Find the item you want to update. If you have a lot of listings, a quick scroll or a glance at status labels can help you spot it. When you found the correct item, tap the three dots on that listing to open more options. This is the Quick Actions menu for managing your post. Choose Edit Listing. You'll land on the edit screen where you can change details without starting over. Locate the price field and enter your new amount. Stick to your local currency and consider common pricing psychology. Round numbers are easy to scan, while pricing just under a threshold like 49 instead of 50 can help your items stand out in searches. If shipping is enabled on your listing, remember that the new price will apply at checkout, so set it with any fees or delivery plans in mind. Before you save, take a moment to review the rest of the details. Confirm that availability is correct, the category and conditions still fit, and your photos accurately show the item. Consistency helps buyers trust your listing. When everything looks good, tap Save at the top right. Facebook will update your listing with the new price. It can take a moment to refresh everywhere, so don't worry if it isn't visible instantly in every view. If you've been chatting with interested buyers, consider sending a quick message to let them know the price has been updated. You can also renew or boost the listing later for extra visibility if needed. And that's it. Your price is updated on Facebook Marketplace quickly and correctly. Happy selling!